Assalamualaikum. I am Marcina Sahi. So for today, I will discuss my topic is about star topology. So what is star topology? A star topology, the most common network topology, is laid out so every node in the network is directly connected to one central hub via coaxial twisted pair of fiber optic cable. Acting as a server, this central node manages data transmissions as information sent from any node on the network has to pass through the central one to reach its destination and functions as a repeater which helps prevent data loss. So, ang star topology ay ang pinakakaraniwang uri ng network layout kung saan lahat ng mga node o device sa network ay direktang nakakonekta sa isang central hub gamit ang coaxial twisted pair o fiber optic na cable. Ang central hub na ito ang nagsisilbing server na namamahala sa pagpapadala ng data. Lahat ng information mula sa kahit anong node ay dumadaan muna sa central hub bago makarating sa destination nito. Umaakto rin ito bilang repeater na tumutulong upang maiwasan ang pagkawala ng data. So, advantage of star topology. Advantage star topology is star topologies are common since they allow you to conveniently manage your entire network from a single location. Because each of the nodes is independently connected to the central hub, should one end go down, the rest of the network will continue functioning and effective, making the star topology a stable, secure network layout. Additionally, devices can be added, removed, and modified without taking the entire network offline. So, ang advantage star topology, karaniwang ginagamit ang star topology dahil madali itong i-manage mula sa isang sentrong location. Dahil bawat node ay hiwalay ang connection sa central hub. Kapag may isang device na nagka-problema o nasira, hindi maapektuhan ang buong network. Kaya ito'y natatag at ligtas na network layout. So next is disadvantage of star topology. Disadvantage of star topology on the flip side. If the central hub goes down, the rest of the network can function, but if the central hub is properly managed and kept in good health, administrators shouldn't have too many issues. The overall bandwidth and performance of the network are also limited by the central nodes configuration and technical specifications, making star topologies expensive to set up and operate. So, ang disadvantage star topology, tulad ng sa kabilang banda, kapag nasira ang central hub, hindi na gagana ang buong network. Pero kung maayos itong pinapamahalaan, hindi dapat magkaroon ng malaking problema. Mabilis ang performance ng network ay nakakadepende rin sa kakayahan ng central hub, kaya't ang star topology ay maaring magastos i-set up at i-maintain. So this is my topic for today. I am Marcina Sahi. Thank you.